The title of my presentation is Phonological Analysis of Tripura, an overview. The dialect of my research is Tripura. It is one of the dialect that is spoken by the tribe of Tripura that is situated in the northeastern state of Tripura. And linguistically, it belongs to the branch of Bodo-Garo group of Tibeto-Burman branch of Sino-Tibetan linguistic group. And according to Kerabai, this is a literary magazine in Tripura language, or you can say people claim it to be language, but linguistically, I found that it is a dialect of the Kokborok, the standard language. And according to this magazine, it comes out that Tripura speaker has a population of about 2.6 lakhs, and the speaker of Tripura can also be found around 30,000 in the Highland Kandi, Karimganj and Kachar districts of Assam state, and about 5,000 speaker in Namit district of Mizoram, and also more than 3.5 lakh speaker living in different districts of neighboring country Bangladesh. And overall population of Tripura is identified to be roughly about 6.5 lakhs. Yeah, so this dialect is spoken only within the Tripura tribe, whereas the standard form of literary Kokborok is used while communicating with the other 8 dialects of Kokborok speakers, namely Bru, Debarma, Jamatia, Kalai, Murasing, Nuatia, Rupini, and Utsoi. Next slide, please. Yeah, so I would be talking about the phonemic inventory and also the phonological processes. So in terms of phonemes, Tripura has 26 segmental sounds. Out of which 20 are consonant sounds, consonant phonemes, and 6 are vowel phonemes. And this dialect has 20 consonant sounds, and the 19 consonants can occur in the initial word positions, and 8 final consonants. 8 consonants can occur in the final position of the word, and 7 consonants can occur in all the word position. On the basis of place of articulations, this consonant is divided into 5 bilabials, and we have 7 alveolars. It also has 4 palatals, 4 velars, and 1 glottal. Yeah, so yeah, next slide. Yeah, this is the consonant chart of this dialect. Yes, next. Yeah, these are the description of the consonant sounds which the dialect has. Yeah, you can go to next. Yeah, group vowels. This dialect, Tripura dialect, has 6 vowel sounds. There is E, A, O, U, and U. So these vowel phonemes of this dialect can occur in all the word positions, and sorry, not in all the word positions. Some vowels cannot occur in the word positions, but most of the vowels can occur in the 3 word positions, that is initial, medial, and final word positions. Next. And yeah, this dialect also has 4 diphthongs, that is I, I, Oi, and Ui. And I as in Klai, there is do, and Ui as in Thi, there is water, Oi as in Totoi, there is paternal uncle, and Ui as in Sui, there is right. Next. This dialect also seems to have nasalized vowels. There are 2 nasalized vowels that we can find here in this dialect. This nasalization, this nasal vowel is phonemic in this dialect. So besides the 6 vowels, 2 vowels are nasalized. You can see the example here. Raha means the past tense of cut, and Raha means for timing. Baha means together, and Baha means too much. Buzia means can't understand. Zia means a kind of vegetable, sponger. So this Buzia could be a borrowed words from the Indo-Aryan language, that is Bengali, which means Ami Buzena means I don't understand. So in this dialect also, Buzia means can't understand. And the example of another nasal vowel is O and O. So goa means a kind of edible wild climber vegetables, and goa means a big cut. So whenever it get cut with the knife, it is a big cut, then it is called as goa. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, these are the syllable structure that is found in this Tripura dialect, and these are some of the the structural patterns of the syllables. V, O, there is OK, and VV, there is two vowel, I, and vowel and consonant, there is ang, there is I or I'm, and CV, there is su, wash, and CVV, there is three, water, CVC, knock, house, CCV, kri, there is naughty, and CCVC, there is sharp, there is attached. So yeah, so this dialect has five monosyllabic patterns that is found in this dialect. So next slide. Yeah, these are the monosyllabic words. In if we can see in the examples the open syllables and closed syllables and their syllable patterns. So in example in closed syllables, V as in O and VV, I, CV, su, wash, CVV, tea, water, CCV, kri, naughty, and closed syllables, we can see here VC, ang, I or I am, CVC, knock, that is house, CCVC, strap, that is naughty. Yeah. Next slide. And this dialect also has a disyllabic word. You can see in the examples open syllables. There is ani means mine, okra means elder, CVCV kasa means un, and toksa means bird, wakla means penny laser, and baknai means hair. In the closed syllables, yes.
5 minutes.
Okay. The next slide. Yeah, so these are the trisyllabic words you can see here, and this is some of the patterns that is given here. Yeah. Next. And this dialect also has a quadrisyllabic word. We can see in the examples, so open syllables and closed syllables. And then the last one is pentasyllabic words. There is CV, CVC, CVV, CV, CV. So it is agglutinating words. There is GMT power means through anywhere. So basically this dialect has the four types of syllables. Next slide. Yeah, these are the phonological processes in Tripura that can be found. Example, in previous one. Yeah, dissimulations, there is haplology. In this dialect, the entire syllable takes place at the spoken level, where the native speaker try to, they omit the first syllable sound of the word initial positions in a rapid speech. So example, dada, brother, there is da, the first syllable is deleted, and bugui, there is elder sister, the first syllable is deleted, bui. And also the other dissimulations can be found. Example, whenever a polysyllabic word contains two aspirates, so there is here pang plus tham. So pang is 3 and tham is 3, and it is realized as fang tam. So in a rapid speech, it is known as it is realized as fang tam. So yeah, next. These are the deletion that can be found. The apostrophe. Example, kuluk bat, it becomes kulu, that is bat, and polok, forget, that turns into polo in a rapid speech. And in terms of voicing, you can see that when the voice morpheme u is used as a suffix on the voiceless stops ka and pa, it changes to voice stop ga and ba. So example, korok language, and plus u, so koroge, that means in the language. Chap plus u, chabe, that means folding. Nok plus noge, in the house. Next. Yeah, so these are the glide insertion. You can see here when a morpheme u, o, or a is added to any word ending with the vowel, then a glide is inserted in between these two morphemes. Example, parai plus paraye, buying, kiri plus kiriye, that is fearing, and se plus a, Sayana. There is will shift. Two plus O, two O. So there is the W glides. There is inserted there. Two plus A, two ano. Yeah, there is will sleep. So yeah, next slide. And these are the assimilations, vowel harmony you can see in this dialect. So in regressive vowel harmony in pronominal prefix, so second person name you has five forms of pronominals. There is na, no, no, ni, and no. So example, the hamchuk becomes na hamchuk is your daughter-in-law, and nuchu your grandfather, nachui is your grandmother. And down that pronominal marker bu, he or she has also five forms of pronominal prefix: ba, bu, bu, bo, and bi. So batsamai means his or her co-parents-in-law. So yeah, next. These are the progressive vowel harmony, that very rare progressive vowel harmony can be found here. In this case, the bo, there is a third person pronominal prefix. If it is added to Hayung, there is a younger brother, it turns to Bopoyong. So he's our younger brother. And number one, Hanok, there is a younger sister. So and it turns to Bohanok, that is his or her younger sister. So this is the progressive vowel harmony. And vowel harmony also found in the causative prefix. You can see here in p plus vowel, ma plus vowel, and sa plus vowel. So rung in one example, number one example. So rung, there is nuk, rung nuk. So si. Oh, sorry, there is a mistake here. There is nuk. Rung is not the example. Nuk, there is si. It turns to punuk. And rung no, it turns to purung. And in the ma, there is to sleep. It turns to mutu. There is make to sleep.
But Timothy, we have just concluded now, please.
Okay, so that's the next. I'll just come to the conclusions. Next conclusion. Yes. Yeah. So through this descriptive study of this undocumented Tripura dialect, so we can see the sum of the phonological features that can be found, and also the phonemic inventory. So how many phonemes were there in this dialect, and yeah. So yes, sir, we can conclude here. It's fine.
Thank you for presentation. When I observed that haplology, the
Yes.
word dada,
Yes.
can it be clipping cases for clipping or back clipping? Because I think that can be true, or just a haplology.
I'm not sure of that, so I'm also researching on that to confirm that. So whether it could be the another type of progress, phonological progress, or haplology. So as of now, I think I consider it as a haplology.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you once again, Timothy.
Thank you, sir.